back to my channel, and today's video is going to be really special. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure that you do it now because I need your support and I really would appreciate if you take your time and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so today I'll be doing full face makeup with only using this. This is an eyeshadow palette by Wet n Wild and this is so good. You can definitely give it a try, and all my friends out there who doesn't want to invest a lot of money on makeup, they can totally buy one eyeshadow palette and you will be sorted. Like, I have done this full face makeup using this only eyeshadow palette which has 12 shades. Yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy the video because I have made a lot of effort to create this look. So yeah, now without any more blabbering, let's just get into the video. Okay, so I have prepped my skin and put some foundation and concealer, and now I'm going to use the eyeshadow palette and do the full face makeup. I think this eyeshadow palette is very much versatile, and it has all the shades that I need, and let's see if I can do a full face makeup out of it. I'm gonna start just with my eyes. I'm gonna take a transition shade which is gonna be this. This palette is super affordable. This was only just for $4.99 or something, and you get around 12 shades in this palette, so I think it's really a good deal. And the pigmentation, you can see, is very decent. Now I will take this pink shade.
Like the sunrise, you know that we're gonna light it up. Tonight, we're gonna light it up, babe. Tonight, we're gonna light it up. Just like the sunrise, we're gonna light it up.
And lastly, I'm gonna take this shade again and intensify the outer corners just a little more. Now I'm gonna do the lower eyelids, and for that I'm gonna take a flat brush. I'm gonna take this shade and this shade.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna light it up. Tonight, we're gonna light it up, babe. Tonight.
Now I'm gonna quickly fill in my brows. I'm gonna take this shade right here. I think I have ruined this brow totally, like you can see that. Now I'm gonna be doing my contouring and blush. So again, from this palette I'm gonna take this shade, this and this. I'm gonna mix both of the shades and place it on my contour point. let's see how it becomes.
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. You know
I use blush even on my forehead. I don't know if you guys use them, but I use it, and a little bit on my nose. I think it's looking pretty cute, maybe. And on the chin. And now I'm gonna highlight my face, and luckily this palette also has a highlight shade. So I'm gonna highlight with this shade.
there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna light it up, babe. Tonight we're gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We're gonna light it up now.
So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope I could be of some help to you guys, because I know a lot of us don't have makeup, like a lot of makeup, and this video was just for you guys who doesn't know how to do makeup and doesn't want to invest too much on makeup products. So you can totally do this whole face using just a small palette like this, and you have to choose your palette very carefully. Like if you choose something like this, you get all the shades for blush, contouring, bronzing, highlight and everything. You get all the shades in just one palette, so please choose wisely. And yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up, and bye.